This is a short video to demo how to use Sgetti, a spaghetti diagramming application, to visualize, simulate, and improve a complex system containing a large number of value streams. As we know that value stream mapping, VSM, is a very simple and useful tool for lean process improvement. For a complex system containing hundreds and thousands of value streams, as can be seen in this video, it is very difficult to use VSM with this level of complexity. Sgetti is a spaghetti diagramming application that can map multiple value streams to identify bottlenecks and recognize opportunities to streamline and improve a complex system. It contains very powerful analysis and simulation modules that allow users to analyze, simulate, and evaluate what-if scenarios that they create to answer their business questions. Here are some business questions that can be answered by Sgetti. What if we relocate machines? What if we buy more machines? What if we group machines or create a manufacturing cell? If the users want to further analyze their what-if scenarios, or transform them into implementation plans, they can do it easily with an automated VSM. This function allows users to create a value stream map with the single click of a button. In summary, Sgetti is a simple yet very powerful spaghetti diagramming application that can map hundreds and thousands of value streams to identify inefficiency and bottlenecks. It contains production flow analysis and simulation modules that allows users to analyze, simulate, and evaluate what-if scenarios to answer their business questions. And with the single click of a button, a value stream map can be created automatically for users to transform their what-if scenarios to improvement plans. If value streams are complex, visualize, simulate, and improve with Sgetti.